Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a stir-fried shrimp with broccoli and carrots and a little bit of a soy sauce, honey sauce to kind of glaze everything. So the first thing we're going to do is add our shrimp to the pan. You want to cook these for about 2 to 4 minutes until they're slightly opaque, and then you're going to remove them, set them aside, cook your vegetables, add your sauce in, let that kind of cook together, and then add your shrimp back in and finish cooking those the rest of the way through. We're going to serve it over a bed of steamed rice, and it's going to be delicious. So let's get to cooking. So, I'm going to add our shrimp in. Let those start to cook. We've already seasoned them with a little bit of salt and pepper. In our bowl here, we've already got mixed together some cornstarch, some honey, and some soy sauce. And you'll just want to whisk that back up again before you add it to the pan. Alright, so our shrimp are just about where we want them. We're going to go ahead and pull these out and set them aside. Alright. And then into the same pan, we're going to add in our broccoli and our carrots. You could add onions. We're going to add a little bit of garlic to ours. You could do peppers. So really any vegetables you like. And all of this liquid that's in the pan that was released by the shrimp is good to keep in the pan because it's got a lot of flavor in it. So we're going to cook our vegetables up in that. You can see how quickly these shrimp cook up. And if they're slightly under, we're going to put them back in and heat them back through, so that'll finish that off. Okay. We're going to go in with our garlic. We'll whisk our sauce back together. We'll add it in just a minute. I'm going to go in with our broccoli and our carrots. Bring the heat up a little bit. Season your vegetables. A little pepper and salt. And like I've said before, salt releases the natural moisture inside of your vegetables, really releasing their flavor. The key to salting anything, be it meats, fish, vegetable, whatever you're using it for, is the point is not to make it taste salty, but it is to enhance the other flavor. Salt should be an enhancer of flavor more so than a salty flavor. So you should take something as simple as a piece of raw spinach, try it without salt, and then try it with salt until the flavor is perfect, and then that way you can kind of gauge your own salty palate. And that's a trick that chefs use all the time. You know, some families like things a little saltier than others, so you just kind of have to gauge it by your personal taste. Our broccoli's turning nice and bright green, releasing the chlorophyll inside of it. That's what happens when you apply heat. Same thing with asparagus or green beans. You want to leave a little bit of a crunch on all of these vegetables in the stir fry, so you don't want to overcook them. Now I'm going to add in our soy sauce, honey, and cornstarch mixture. Alright, kind of give that a shake to toss everything together. Start to add our shrimp back in now. Toss everything together, and as soon as your shrimp kind of come back up to temperature, then this is basically done. You're going to serve it over a bed of steamed rice. You could always add just a little bit more soy sauce if it kind of dries out. Everything's getting nice and coated. Alright, we'll show you the finished product here in just a few minutes.